mission of Wabishabele Online University is to produce competent graduates in a wide spectrum of academic disciplines through quality education, to undertake academically rigorous and socially meaningful cutting-edge research, and to disseminate knowledge and technologies and provide community services. The university has a fast-developing physical infrastructure facilities. The university has credible institutional objectives, all of which are in favor of developing and delivering postgraduate programs. Some of them are to design and implement graduate and research programs, organize seminars, workshops, and symposiums for quality development, establish relations with other local and international universities, research institutions, and organizations having similar objectives, and establish and publish academic journals. The university has clear and convenient established directions for guiding the academic and research activities, which include identifying research areas to be prioritized on the basis of the needs of the country and in consultation with appropriate bodies, undertaking research that takes into account the need of the country and enables to equip trainees with scientific knowledge, equip students and trainees with basic knowledge and skills that enable them to undertake practical studies and research. The training objectives of postgraduate programs in Wabishabele Online University are alleviating professional, academic and research staff to fill the gap in higher educational institutions in the country, producing experts, qualified teachers and researchers who could be able to tackle and solve the prevailing overall problems of the nation in divergent areas, and training a high-level workforce that is equipped with the necessary scientific know-how and leadership qualities for different government institutions and development agencies. Thus, in respect with the favorability of institutional objectives and directions for academic and research, and also the organizational strength of the university coupled with favorable training objectives, there is no doubt that initiating this university would be more productive and successful.